Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing power and battery so you don't interrupt pairing. Charge the Arctis Pro wireless above 50%, connect the base station to power and plug its USB-C or optical as needed. Turn on the headset. Press and hold the power/pair button on the base until LEDs blink. Once the base announces pairing mode, bring the headset close and confirm audio lights. This initializes wireless link and readies system audio routing for the Ps5. Now connect the base or dongle to the Ps5 and configure outputs. Insert the USB dongle into a front port or use the optical adapter if your base requires it, then boot the console. On Ps5, go to Sound Settings and choose the connected USB device or optical output. Set output to headphones, all audio, and enable 3D audio if desired. Once done, use headset volume and chat mix on the base station to balance game versus voice clearly for optimal immersion. Finish by updating firmware to ensure compatibility and performance. Use SteelSeries engine on PC or the mobile app if available. Run a quick in-game audio test and confirm microphone input by checking party chat or a recording. If you encounter dropouts or no audio, power cycle the base station and headset, then repair. Make sure USB ports aren't in a powered hub and remove nearby interferers. This simple reset resolves most connectivity problems and restores stable wireless audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.